Show mercy, unraveling the essence of compassion in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we'll dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, show mercy. Understanding such phrases is not just about adding words to your vocabulary but also about enriching your communication with empathy and humanity. So let's get started and explore how this powerful phrase can be used in everyday English. To show mercy means to offer compassion or forgiveness to someone, even if you have the power to harm or punish them. Mercy is a form of leniency that spares someone from a harsher outcome. When we show mercy, we are choosing to be kind and forgiving, often in a situation where retaliation or severity is expected. Imagine someone has made a mistake that could result in serious consequences. If the person in authority decides to forgive them or reduce the punishment, they are showing mercy. This act is seen as a virtue and is valued in many cultures and religions worldwide. The concept of mercy is ancient and universal. The phrase, show mercy, has its roots in both religious and secular contexts, referring to the idea of withholding punishment out of compassion. It's a term that has evolved over time but retains a core meaning that resonates with the basic human understanding of empathy and grace. In literature and history, mercy has often been portrayed as a noble choice that reflects the moral strength of the person showing it. Thus, to show mercy is to demonstrate a profound human capacity for understanding and kindness. Let's look at some examples to see how show mercy can be used in sentences. 1. In a legal context, the judge decided to show mercy to the young offender, considering it was his first mistake. 2. In personal relationships, even though he was hurt by his friend's actions, he chose to show mercy and forgive him. 3. In competition, the winning team showed no mercy as they continued to dominate the game, despite their leading score. 4. In storytelling, the hero had the villain at his mercy but showed compassion at the last moment. Using show mercy in various contexts allows English speakers to express a spectrum of emotional and moral nuances in their conversations. Understanding synonyms can enhance your vocabulary. Here are a few: forgive, pardon, spare, be lenient, have compassion, exhibit clemency. All these synonyms revolve around the central theme of leniency and compassion, but each carries its own specific shade of meaning. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, show mercy. Remember, showing mercy is not just a language feature, it's a way of expressing our humanity. It's a powerful concept that, when used properly, can convey a deep understanding of compassion and empathy in your communication. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content.